Today's Tango word that drives Miles into apoplectic response every single time he has to read it, hear it, or say it. Are you comfy? Are you sitting down? Here's the word. Axis. God! Do me a favor. I need you to dispel your critical thinking for just about 90 seconds, and then we'll get to the heart of this. The human body consists of 9 axes, 3 vertical, 3 horizontal, and 3 diagonal. When you're standing in front of a partner that you're dancing with, that's not 9, but 18. However, between the two of you, there are actually 3 shared axes. So that gives you a total of 21 axes. When you have been dancing with a partner in the past, specifically at a practica, more than likely you have heard or used this phrase yourself. Ready? Here we go. You're off your axis. So here's the question I want to ask you. Ready? Which axis are you talking about when you say that? Most people, when they hear that phrase, they have to do some kind of mental gymnastics, try to figure out what on earth you are talking about when you say that phrase, or when you hear that phrase. What is that? Usually when people are talking about axis, they're actually talking about 3 different things: balance, equilibrium, which is not the same thing, and last but not least, position, i.e. the position that you are in relationship to your partner. So instead of saying you're off your axis, you could say, and I would really like it if you actually said this, I experience a lack of balance. I'm experiencing some equilibrium issues. I'm experiencing some position issues. You see how clear that is instead of saying you're off your axis? Oi! So again, my page, my group, I would strongly prefer that you not use that word in this group in your comments, because it will give me an apoplectic response. God! Other than that, have yourselves a lovely day. Thank you very much for your patronage, and I look forward to seeing you in the next one. Bye!